Forgot a gift? Don't panic. Just grab your stamps, paper, and a little time for yourself. Sometimes we don't just have the time or the budget to go all out with a gift, and that's totally fine. If you're a crafter who loves playing with stamps, dies, stencils, paper, and more, then there's lots of different options for quick and easy last-minute gift ideas. Let's get started. Handmade cards. Let's face it, you can never go wrong with a handmade card. It's the perfect way to unleash your creativity and make something unique. Take their favourite colours, florals, and designs into account to create a beautiful, heartfelt creation. If you'd like to step it up a notch, add a personal handwritten note inside or even a gift card to their favourite store, and there you have it. Bookmarks. If you have family and friends who love reading or journaling, a custom bookmark is a great gift idea. Die cut or fussy cut some paper into the shape of a bookmark and stamp or stencil it to add decoration. It's a wonderful gift idea that your loved one won't be able to find anywhere else. Mini note cards. Mini note cards or custom stationery. This next idea is simple and incredibly practical. All you need is a blank set of note cards or stationery sheets and stamps of your choice. Stamp your chosen design onto the sheets and you'll have some beautiful custom stationery. So easy, and your loved one will be able to make use of these as well. Gift tag set. Next up is a set of gift tags. If you know someone who loves giving gifts as much as receiving them, then they'll enjoy getting a set of pre-made gift tags that they can keep for future use. This process is similar to the bookmarks, where you can die cut or fussy cut paper to resemble the shape of gift tags. From there, you can spruce them up with stamps, dies, and other designs. What are some other last-minute gift ideas you can think of? We hope you found some inspiration today using paper crafting supplies. Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon, and happy crafting.